Hi and thanks for checking out our new OpenCart video. This time we'll be talking about the extensions you must have for your OpenCart store. They are designed to recover your lost sales, improve your website SEO, getting your store GDPR compliant, optimizing your site for blazing fast page speed and user experience, easier product management, selling on Facebook, and making it easy for customers to find products in your store. So let's show you how to create a killer OpenCart store with top 7 extensions on the marketplace. First up, that's abandoned carts. Almost 70% of shopping carts are being abandoned by online customers, and this opens up a lot of opportunities for e-commerce sites to capitalize on that. This means that your store could recover a lot of potential sales, and abandoned cart is the OpenCart extension to help you gain them. Here's how it works. It tracks down the shopping carts that were abandoned by customers and lets you create a ton of different email templates that you can send out to them. You can schedule the perfect timing of your emails and add free shipping or discounts to hook your customers and choose those emails to link back straight to their shopping carts. Everything the client needs to do is grab your offer and confirm their order. Abandoned carts gathers all the customers' info you need at one place. The extension lets you set automatic reminders for customers, or it also allows you to email them manually. It also works well with various checkouts available on the OpenCart themes and marketplace. The email template can be customized and you can add unique discount codes for a fixed amount or a percentage type of a discount. The module is also compatible with OpenCart themes, and you can count on our premium support for any assistance you need with abandoned carts. Now let's jump to the admin panel for a brief overview. Here we can see a log record of a shopping cart that has been abandoned. You can see the customer info, the products in their cart, and many other details. Okay, so we can manually send a reminder right now. Click here and you'll be able to configure all the details of your email. You can set the discount type and value, the discount time limit, and add a powerful free shipping option, as well as enabling guest checkout and customize the email template itself. Once you're done, simply hit the send mail button. This moves the record into the already notified tab here. From here on, you can start experimenting with different email templates, call to action buttons, layout, discounts, and design. The next extension your OpenCart store needs to have is the SEO backpack, the all-in-one search engine optimization tool for your e-commerce website. So SEO backpack features a one-click button for optimizing thousands of products and pages at once. You have an SEO score meter that displays how well your store is doing on converting the requirements of search engines for a well-optimized site. Your store will have search engine analytics that let you know the best performing pages in your store, since they're the ones that will get indexed best by Google and other search engines. The SEO crawler is another in-house built functionality that measures your SEO performance for individual pages. It gives you reports on important points to improve, so you can actually know how to use your new SEO tool. SEO Backpack is a backend tool and it's compatible with all major themes, so you can use it without any worries. Apart from that, the tool comes with a custom SEO URL generator, auto generations for meta titles, keywords, and descriptions for all your products and pages, H1 and H2 tags, rich snippets, and tons of other features that will help you improve the ranking for your store and increase the inbound traffic. Now let's peek behind the curtains. On the left, you see your SEO meter and all the steps you can take to improve your score with a single click. For instance, we can now create the SEO URLs for all the products. And it's as easy as that. Add meta titles for all our products. One click and they're all there. Now we can test our SEO score. We started with 32% and now it's 41. Moving on, in the URL and linking tab, you got all the settings for generating and customizing the links in your store. This is where you can add a custom URL for a specific route. This is where you can also set up canonical URLs for the different types of pages, and here you have advanced settings like breadcrumbs, automatic URL generation, and unification. As you can see, SEO Backpack features tons of settings for your website content, keywords, H1 and 2 tags, social media linking, rich snippets, image name optimization, data tracking, analytics, you name it. To wrap up, here's a simple example of an SEO URL generated with the extension. Remember that even this can be customized and you can decide what goes into that link. Alright, this leaves us to must-have extension number 3. Starting from May 25, 2018, GDPR compliance is a requirement for all websites that gather any data from citizens based in the European Union. If you're running an online store, chances that you may have someone from Europe sharing some sort of personal data with you. It doesn't matter if it's just an email or their full name, address, credit card info, or whatever, your website must meet the GDPR requirements for compliance. So if you're running an OpenCart store in 2018, GDPR compliance is an extension you can't go without. So we basically have an entire video on how to use the extension and complete the checklist for making your store GDPR compliant, so we wouldn't go through it once again. Bottom line is the extension comes with the most complete set of features you can find on the market, starting with a beautiful and easy customizable cookie consent bar. You can notify your new visitors of your privacy and cookie policy and style, and give them full transparency of what type of cookies your store is using and control on whether they would like to get their data tracked or not. You get a completely new page in your OpenCart footer where customers can use their new GDPR tools, access their personal data, change it, or request its removal. GDPR compliance is fully compatible with journal and faster themes, as well as any Ajax quick checkout available on the OpenCart marketplace. You will also find a myriad of prepared translations for any different language that your store can possibly use. And you can download your language from here. Heading to the admin panel, you have the complete GDPR checklist you can use to track your progress to reaching full compliance. After enabling your module and displaying the link to the GDPR tools in the footer, you can set up the handling of your right to be forgotten requests. This is one of the basic GDPR requirements. The requests customers can make for completely erasing their data from your store. You can also control the expiration time of GDPR requests and enable privacy policy consent for contact forms and newsletter opt-ins. This is where you can customize everything about your cookie consent bar, including privacy policy links, tracking acceptances, and the way your store will be working before and after customers accept the cookie consent. You can decide what the cookie bar is going to say, where it's going to be positioned, and how it's going to match your website color patterns. Okay, so here is an example of how the cookie bar looks in our store. The Preferences button gives customers control over the type of cookies they accept. From here, they can also access your privacy policy, as well as dismiss or accept your notification. You can place this bar at the top, bottom, or as a small box on the left or the right corner of the page. Okay, so this is one of the most important extensions your OpenCart store may have, since the penalties can be fatal and detrimental for many online businesses. But the idea of this video is not to scare you out, so let's head to the next module, which is NitroPack. That will be OpenCart's favorite speed optimization caching framework. It's the only tool you will ever need for making your store blazing fast, and it also provides clients a swift and convenient shopping experience. So peeking into NitroPack's dashboard, it is equipped with Google PageSpeed score, as well as a list of actions that you can take for improving that score, and featuring optimization settings for the page include database, browser and image cache, CSS and JavaScript minification, as well as gzip compression. If those doesn't ring a bell, the short version is that we have everything to make your store blazing fast and bringing your clients a great experience both on mobile and desktop device. So all in all, your entire OpenCart site will work much better and faster with a well-optimized caching system. A fast website means better search engine scores, better user experience, increased conversion rates, and overall more traffic and sales. To make things better, NitroPack is fully compatible with Journal and comes with premium support for any type of assistance that you might need. With this and a lot more features, NitroPack really is a complete solution for skyrocketing your website speed and delivering the best possible customer experience your store can get. Next up is a tool designed for making the lives of OpenCart merchants easier. That's Product Manager. This extension is a major upgrade to the product management section in your dashboard, and let's show you how easy it is to do quick edits of multiple products at once using Product Manager. So, big question is, why is it so necessary? And the answer to that is because editing products one by one can take ages, while Product Manager can edit multiple values of multiple products with just a couple of clicks. You can also edit single or multiple products without entering the product editing menu. You can also upload images with a single click. You can also do formula-based bulk edit for price and quantity, so the extension does all the calculations and maths for you. Product Manager also allows you to customize your settings and choose which columns you're interested into editing, and thus displays them at the back end of the module. It also features a powerful filter for sorting options that can be displayed or remain hidden. Now, let's take you for a quick overview. So this is the standard product management section. Not much you can do except go into the settings and multiple tabs of each product individually. And this right here is Product Manager. As you can see, it's conveniently placed right underneath your products. So let's get the filter out of the way for now. How to change your product info without entering the products? That's actually pretty simple. You just double click, and this goes for absolutely every field in the product list. You want to change the price, double click, enter the new price, and you're all set. Your product stock was just refilled, edit the quantity, enter the new one, and click anywhere else. So question is how to edit multiple products at once. The way this works is we're just selecting a few of them, click the bulk edit icon here, select the new status, click anywhere, and you will be asked to confirm the change. And that's pretty much it. You just saved tons of time having to go into all of these products individually. Now just imagine if you have to replicate the same action with hundreds of or thousands of products, and that would essentially save you a lot of time. Okay, so how about these buttons right here? First one is the quick view. Click it and you will be redirected to the product in your storefront in case you've just made changes and want to see how they are applied. Next up is the quick edit button. This is another great feature as it opens all the product settings and tabs in a pop-up without you having to leave Product Manager. And here you have the standard edit and a shortcut to view orders. But what's one of the best things? Selecting the columns you want. So you want to hide certain columns, easy as that. Want to edit categories? Here we go. Want to add new filters? They would appear right here. Want to view the product IDs? There you go. All of this makes Product Manager an essential time-saving extension for your OpenCart store. Give it a try and you will see that you wouldn't be able to do without it. Okay, now next up is making more sales, and that's directly on Facebook. So Facebook Store is one of the most powerful sales channels for OpenCart stores, and it lets you connect your Facebook page and displays a shop tab integrating with your store, so you can sell your products right on the biggest social media platform in the world. Really easy to get started, really easy to get integrated, all happens with a single click. Facebook Store is fully optimized to work well with all mobile devices. It works with the OpenCart checkout, so your social media followers don't need to leave your Facebook page. They can confirm their order right then and there. All the changes you make to our products are automatically applied to the new shop section in Facebook. You don't need any coding knowledge to set up your Facebook store. The only requirement is that your OpenCart website has a valid and working SSL certificate. This is a requirement by Facebook, so we can't do anything about it. Okay, so another cool feature is that you can translate your Facebook store to any page you need. And here is how the store will look on Facebook. You can customize your Shop Now button or choose to remove it. You have a link that leads to your OpenCart store in case users are interested in visiting it as well. And this is the store section where all your categories and products get displayed. Now, let's say we want to buy a camera. We select the category, then choose the product we want. And as you can see, the module works with options, so you can be sure that customers will be able to choose exactly what they want. We add our product to the cart, and this is where we initialize the checkout process, just like in a regular OpenCart store. So selling on social media has been a popular practice for a long time now, and it's very convenient for customers since they don't even need to leave Facebook to make an order. Last but not least, the best extension to improve the product search experience for customers in your store, iSearch. So the search tool can be a miracle for your store as it delivers instant search results to customers who are looking for products on your website. And these are customers who are important to you since they're demonstrating interest in something and taking the time to search for it on your store. A lot of OpenCart stores are making the mistake and losing tons of customers who are trying to search for a product, but it either takes too long or results are not accurate. And since everyone is used with search engines nowadays, not a lot of customers can be patient enough for a second search. So iSearch comes with a feature to display instant results as soon as the customer starts typing in the search bar. You can exclude certain products from the results. You can select all the different search criteria you want iSearch to use to display results. You can enable singularization in case sometimes customers search for singular or plural forms of words. For instance, apple, apples, orange, oranges. You can add possible typos customers can make when spelling out the names of your store products. Basically, you can customize iSearch any way you want and adapt it to your store the way you think it will work best and bring the most value for your customers. And most of all, it's fully responsive and looks great on all types of devices, including the famous journal and other OpenCart themes. So let's demonstrate how iSearch looks and works in the backend. First, you create a search engine. After you enable it, and you can select the multiple stores you want it to search in if you're running a multi-store setup. Then you can select all the product fields you want iSearch to look into when displaying results to your customers. In the advanced setting, you can configure your instant results, standard results, select the sorting of the results and everything else to tailor the search experience in your OpenCart store. Next is the editing of all the text that your customers will see in the search results. And last is the design of iSearch. You have tons of customization options for the size of the box, highlights for the results, product suggestions, displaying images, models, prices, and practically anything you might need. So here is how fast customers can find products in your store, and you can customize all that. Basically, iSearch is a must-have extension for OpenCart stores that want to have an effective and working product search for their customers. Okay, so this concludes our list. OpenCart is a great e-commerce system, and with the right tools you can create a winning business. Share this with your friends, give us a like, and subscribe to our channel for more great OpenCart video tutorials coming along. Thanks for watching.